Hey guys, so if you purchased a replacement filter for your alkaline water ionizer, here's a step-by-step process on how to install it. First, you want to remove the filter from the box. Okay, now guys, you want to remove it from the plastic. Here is your new filter. Alright, so what you want to do over here, first you want to turn off the machine. Can you come over here and show it right there? Turn it off. Alright, now you want to turn it around. Okay, now you want to go on this side. You have the back side of your machine. You go on the left side, pull that out, that little compartment over here. Then, can you zoom in on right here?
Alex, I'm more excited.
Okay, guys!
Oh my gosh.
So, you want to undo this. You want to click it with your finger. Can you zoom in? Zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay. There's a little nodule here. You might want to squeeze it down. Pull it out. Then, you guys want to move this to the left. And that is how you remove your water filter. To install it, remove this little thing. Then, pull the wire up like here. Start from the left to the right. Then you take the little wire thing, you plug it in. Let's zoom in more. Go a little bit higher. Right there. You plug it in. And that's it, guys. Then you want to put the cover back on. And that is how you replace your water filter.